Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says find the orthogonal trajectory corresponding to this curve. So what we have to do, first we have to find out the differential equation. So before that we have to count the number of arbitrary constants. So if you'll observe, you have a. So there is only one arbitrary constant, so you have to differentiate the given function once. So do it with respect to x. So differentiation of y square will become 2y dy by dx, and then we have differentiation of 4ax will become 4 times a. So this thing gone. So can I say that the value of a, like, look at this, now I have to replace this a, so dy by dx in 2 times a. Who is a? A is y square by 4x. So we have extracted value of a from here. Okay, please do the simplification. This thing gone, this thing gone. So we are left with dy by y is equal to 1 by 2 dx by x. Okay, I hope till this part you guys, wait, we have to write dy by dx. So it is this side, so we have dy by dx, and then you will have y over here. Is that okay? Now what we have to do, you have to replace dy by dx with minus of dx by dy. Then we have 1 by 2 y x. Now do the segregation, so minus of x dx into 2, and then we have y dy. Now do the integration, so we have minus 2 outside, integration of x will become x square by 2, then integration of y will become y square by 2 plus integration constant c. Therefore the required curve is minus x square is equal to y square by 2 plus integration constant c. So this is the orthogonal trajectory corresponding to given curve. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.